Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another Fashion Nova haul. I literally have no clothes in my closet. When I tell you guys I have no clothes, I have no clothes. I recently went through my closet and I was like, you know, I don't wear this stuff. Like, I don't wear this. I'm not wearing this ever again in life. I don't like this. This is too small for me. So I just decided to kind of clean out my closet and see what I don't really wear and what I don't really like anymore. And I kind of just bagged it up and gave it away. Like, you know, those little clothing bins where you throw the clothes out to give to other people. So I just basically did that and I just cleaned out my whole closet. I obviously do still have clothes, you know, just some basics, but I really needed some new clothes. So I'm kind of trying to do a closet upgrade or whatever. These items from Fashion Nova, I'm just going to basically open it up, throw everything out. So the first thing I got actually is what I have on, which is this shirt that says I am the future. And I thought it was super cute. As you guys can see, I'm wearing it in the video already. I thought it was super duper cute. I needed a lot of plain regular shirts just to lounge in, because I looked through my closet and I really have a lot of going out shirts. So I needed a few plain t-shirts. So I got this I am the future shirt. It's really cute. It's a crop top, you know, for the summer. And I thought this was super duper cute. The next thing that I got is this Kiki crop top in the color olive. And it looks like this. I got it in a size small because I feel like with these type of tops, you need to get it in a small so it can really fit snug. So I'm usually a medium, but I got it in a small. This is what it looks like. It has these little stringy straps. I like these because they're pretty thick and they're stretchy as well. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. I love the color, the olive color. I'm always getting something olive from Fashion Nova. Every haul that I do, I have an olive piece. So I love the color olive. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super cute, super fun for the summer, something to just throw on when you're going out. The next thing that I got is this casual shirt as well. This shirt is super cute. It's called Don't Text Him Back tunic top, and I got it in the size small. So this is what it looks like. It says Don't Text Him Back on the front, and it's a kind of rustic type of, you know, look. It's the wash, you know, what is it called, distressed wash, bleach type of look. So I thought that was really cute. And this one's just a regular shirt. This is not a crop top. This is just a regular throw-on shirt. So I did that again because I need a lot of regular throw-on shirts, you know, just casual shirts just to wear with maybe some jeans or some leggings throughout the summer. So I thought that was really cute. The next thing that I got are these biker shorts. And when I tell you guys, I have been seeing biker shorts everywhere, and I've been thinking that they're so cute, but I never got a pair. I'm like, no, I need biker shorts. I need that for the summer. They're so cute. They're leggings, but they're shorts. So it's who wouldn't want that? So these are the biker shorts. I got them in the color black. They're pretty stretchy. And they only come down to they don't pass your knees, so they only come down before your knees. And I love these so much that I got them in another color. Well, I knew I would love them, so I got them in a blue. This is a really dark blue. I thought this would look so, this is a bold type of blue. I usually do basic blacks and, you know, greens and whites. But I thought this blue was you know, wow, sis, pop out, you know? So I got this blue one. The next thing that I got from Fashion Nova is, what is it called? Holla at Me hologram skirt set. So it's a hologram skirt set. I got it in a size medium. I kind of wish that I got it in a small though, because it is kind of like it fits kind of like loose on me, and you're gonna see in the video. But this is the top. It's super cute. It's holographic, so you're definitely gonna like sparkle and shine and stuff. It has those same type of straps, those stringy straps that are very stretchy. So this is the top, and then the bottoms are a skirt, and the skirt isn't too short. As you can see, it's like medium length. It's like a midi skirt, so you won't be showing too much, but it's still like cute, you know, it's showing enough. So this is the skirt right here. Super cute, super sparkly, super girly. With this set, I would recommend that you go like a size down, because I really should have got a small in this. But other than that, it's super, super cute. And the last thing that I got from Fashion Nova is this Deep in My Soul flare jeans. And when I tell you, these jeans are so cute, like I really like the wide leg jeans for some reason nowadays. And I really wanted a wide leg pair of jeans, so I got it. I usually get a size 7 from Fashion Nova, but today I chose to do a size 5 just so it could fit a little bit more snug and I could be snatched. And also the 7 was sold out, so hopefully, you know, this will do. But this is what the jeans look like. It's super stretchy, as you guys can see. It's a medium wash jean. It goes all the way down, no cuts, no like nothing crazy, just a regular pair of jeans. And then the bottoms are definitely flared out and very wide legged. So I thought that was really super duper cute, and I feel like these would look cute with like a cute little tank top or a nice little top. Maybe a nice blouse if you're going out somewhere fancy. I feel like you can dress it up or you could dress it down. Either way, these are definitely an essential for the summer for me. So I definitely recommend some wide leg jeans, because these are adorbs. And yeah guys, I think that's it. That's all the items that I got from Fashion Nova this time. Hopefully I'll do a lot more hauls in the future, because you guys seem to love a lot of the fashion hauls and me trying on clothes. So hopefully next time I'll probably do like a Pretty Little Thing haul or Boohoo. Try another type of fashion site other than Fashion Nova. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Hey, I need some love, hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me, nah.